1/13. X represents a fraction that's exactly between 1/5 and 1/3 on the number line. What is the fraction represented by x? That means it's exactly in the center, okay, equal distance from 1/5 and 1/3. What we can do is we can take the two number, add together, divide by 2, you will get the exact center fractions. Okay, it's just like if you are not sure, right, you can change it into a smaller number or easier number too. You change it into a whole number, helps in your thinking. Can you imagine if you have 2 here and you have 4 here? So what you do, you take 2 plus 4, then divide by 2, you'll get 6/2, you'll get 3. So the middle number is 3. It's exactly in the center. So this is what I call small number methods. Now when the number is big or complicated, you use small numbers like 2 and 4 to help you find the answer. Then you apply the same method, plus and divide, back into the bigger or more complicated number. So in this case, it's not bigger number, it's just a complicated number in the sense that fraction is more complicated for us to for our brain to handle than whole numbers. Okay, because we deal with whole numbers from young, but fractions we only learn it in P2, P3. So what we do is we take 1/5 and we add the last number 1/3. Then we get 3 and 5. The common multiple is 15, right? So we change both of them into like fractions, the denominator 15. So here 5 times 3, 15. If the bottom times 3, the top also times 3, I get 315. Here 3 times 5, if the bottom times 5, the top also times 5. So this is 515, and I get 815. So the total of these two numbers is 815. Now I need to divide them into 2 equal halves, and I'll find the value of x. So I divide by 2. Okay, and in P5 you learn that when you do division of fractions, you can turn this divide into a multiplication sign and flip the 2 upside down. Take the reciprocal of 2. When you flip it upside down, it becomes half. Then now I can do some cancellation. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. Therefore, the final fraction is 4.